Good morning, happy Sunday everyone. Wanted to show you what I am up to today. I am going to make stuffed cabbage. Everyone makes theirs a little bit different, and this is my take on it. You can also use Napa cabbage. You want to submerge your cabbage in water with a little bit of salt. Take the heart of the cabbage out and then put it in there, and as the leaves start loosening up, just take them off and put them aside. You want to shave some of this off because this is really thick. Like I have done here, it makes it a lot easier for roll up. I have here 3/4 of a cup of rice, which I boil for 10 minutes and then rinse out. This is the rest of my cabbage that I went ahead and chopped because I don't want anything to go to waste. Here I am cooking some onions, which is gonna be at the bottom of my dish. And then I'm gonna add this cabbage to it as well. Here I have the sauce that's gonna go over it. And here I have my meat that I had already pre-made. So this is done. All I'm doing is getting this ready. Okay guys, so while this is cooking, I have gone and mixed some of my meat to my rice. I left some of the meat aside because I'm going to be adding some of it to this and then a little bit for garnish on the top. Important to know that when you are filling these, you're going to only use a tablespoon of it. Do not make it too tight or too loose. Give it a little room since the rice will expand. This is what your 1 tablespoon should look like. And all we're gonna do is fold it. Let's see, can I do it without having yet to put my phone down? So you get the idea. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so I am done rolling them up. I ended up with a little bit left. If I would have had more left, I would have frozen it and used it to make stuffed peppers. But since I don't, I'm just going to dump it in here too. I'm gonna take some of this because it's almost ready. I just have not decided if I wanna make it in this pot because I don't have that many. And I think I'm gonna have too much room. I'm gonna try it anyway, but this is what we're looking for right here. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of this meat to it. And then I'm gonna place my cabbage rolls in here. Okay guys, so I decided to add the leftover rice stuffing here, and then I added some of a dip that you can have with chips, but the main base is eggplant and it tastes amazing. So I added some of this to my mix. I just want this to be very flavorful. Well, by the grace of God, I had enough. I'm very, very tickled about it. I'm now gonna add my sauce over it, my meat. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to this because this needs to go, like I said, in the oven. I added it just enough, and the sauce is really homemade tomato sauce. I added a little bit of this to my sauce because this tastes amazing. Make sure you shake it a little bit so that the bottom, everything can be coated in the liquid, I should say. Go ahead and add this to the top and cross my fingers and see what happens. Okay, so here we are. The oven is preheated to 350 and I have set it to 50 minutes. I will check back, and if it needs a little bit longer, then I'll put it in for a little bit longer. Here we are, all done. This thing smells incredibly delicious. I cannot wait to try it. And I am not a cabbage person per se, but I'm gonna give this one a try because it looks amazing. And here we have it, guys. This is a thing of beauty. Look at that. I'm gonna open it just to see what it looks like inside. Check it out. That looks amazing. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It makes my mouth water. Thank you for watching, guys.